Details. Yeah, I'm gonna detail this truck right here. We're gonna clean this hole right here. It's a GMC Sierra. It's a 4x4.
What's up, guys? It's Victor here, back with Victor Detailed, and today we're about to do this 2500 GMC Sierra. We're gonna do a standard detail, exterior and the interior. I'm gonna show you the process. You know, us going through the wheels, doing the foam cannon, hand wash, interior detail. You know, steps, and then I guess we'll catch you there. I'm using P&S brake buster. It's safe to use on tires and wheels. Recommend it. About to use it right now. Recommend it. We're about to hit the other wheels, but I'm about to hit the interior right now, and we'll show you. We're about to hit this WeatherTech mats with the pressure washer, with the carpet cleaner, and with this big brush. I'm gonna show you. It's really good to use all these steps and tools. First, spray it down with water, then add your chemical, which I'm adding carpet cleaner from P&S. And then get a big brush, any type of brush, but I like using big brushes. And then you get through all the bigger spaces. So you don't have to have a little brush all the time. We hit it with the pressure washer again. Take out that dirt and grime. Good as new, guys. What's up, guys? We're about to use the foam can and foam the whole car, the whole vehicle down. And I like using GSF from Coach Gmc. It's really good, foams up well. We're about to show y'all how foamy it gets, and yeah, roll the process.